Aquino International Airport in Manila.
Ano na po yung runway natin? Sa airport na tayo ng Terminal 3 sa Pacific.
Ladies and gentlemen, landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance. For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or Cebgo, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation. For passengers with onward international flights on Cebu Pacific, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For passengers with onward domestic flights on Cebu Pacific or Cebgo, please be advised that you are required to clear immigration first, claim your checked baggage, and clear through customs before proceeding to the transfer desk at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by Flight Deck Crew Captain Salvador George Christian and First Officer Arevalo Miguel Antonio III, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to fly you some more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seat. You may dispose this in the bins near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Also, for guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket, and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense.
cabin crew disarm doors for regular cross-check.
Your cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety related procedure. Passenger, please remain seated. It's now safe for you to stand and get your bag. Maaari na po tayo tumayo para kumuha ng mga kabagay.
Next time, Hong Kong naman kayo. Kasi yung Hong Kong, Macau, China. May one day tour din kami ng China. Bye, baby. Ay, ayos ka na, baby. Bye, girl. Bye. Next flight is Hong Kong. Bukas, matutulog muna ako dito sa Manila. Going back to Hong Kong. Yan po, kasi mukha lagi naka-close na. Cebu Pacific. Yan na po ang mga tao. Naghihintay na silang makaabas.